Good morning, students. I welcome all of you in this session of English language. Today, we are going to learn the poem Money, which is written by William H. Davis. Students, before we learn the actual poem Money, let us discuss the activities given in the icebreaker section. Students, let us look at the page number 121. Let us look at the first activity given in icebreaker section. I read the first activity. Discuss in the class about importance of money. One point is already given in our textbook. I read the first point which explains the importance of money. The first point is money is used as capital in business. The second point which we can add is that for common people money is used to buy essentials in life. The second point which can be added here, money is used to seek medical treatment. The third point which we can add is that money is used to have quality education and higher education. So there are different purposes for which the money has importance. Apart from these points, we can also add money can be used for traveling. Money can be used to pay food bills. So in this way, there are different purposes for which money has importance, significance in our life. Students, let us move to the second activity in icebreaker. I read the activity. The activity is in the form of web chart. Complete the web. The title of the activity is Money Spent Judiciously. Students, the meaning of the word judiciously means how we can make use of money reasonably, properly. One point is already given in our textbook. We can spend money judiciously to donate for the poor and needy people. The second point which we can add here is that money can be used for quality roads. The third point which can be added here is that money can be used to support traditional art forms. The third point which we can add here, money can be spent for women empowerment. And apart from these points, we can also add money can be spent to pay fees for bright students who are economically weak. So in this way, money can be spent reasonably, properly for these purposes. Students, let us look at the next activity. I read the title of the activity. Make a list of the good qualities of your friend. Students, we may have a big list of good qualities of our friend. The qualities of good friend may be like this. Honesty is the significant quality. Trustworthiness, forgiveness, good listener. The friend must be supportive in bad times, calm and good tempered, kind and caring. So in this way, we can make a big list of good qualities of your friend. Students, let us come to the next activity from the section icebreakers. I read the activity. Share your views on money is the root of all evils. Students, money can be the root of evil, as except contentment, money can be used to buy essentials of our life. Money should be available in time, otherwise, a person gets frustrated. Money makes man to be greedy. Money increases crime in society. Money has become a symbol of status, therefore, jealousy increases with each other. Money disturbs relations of family members. Normal life is disturbed due to money. So, there are different impacts of the money, as money is the important resource in the society. Students, though money is the root of all evils, but money is not everything in our life. With a little amount of money, we can lead happy life in our society. Students, let us move to the last activity from the section Icebreaker. I read the activity. Do you lend money to your friend? Give reasons. So we are going to discuss this activity from both the sides. Why do you lend money to your friend, and why don't you lend money to your friend? So students, first of all, we will discuss the reasons why you lend money to your friend. The first reason we can mention here is that because he comes from poor family. The second reason may be he will use money for good purpose, and the third reason may be he requires money to pay hospital bill, and that is why you lend money to your friend. Now let us come to the second side. You don't lend money to your friend. The reason you can mention, I cannot get money back from him. The second reason may be he spends money to watch movies. Next one is he gets enough money from his parents. Therefore, you do not lend money to your friend. So students, in this way we have discussed all the activities from the section Icebreakers. It's very significant section to introduce the poem, and therefore you study all these activities from the section Icebreakers. You write down all the activities and their answers in your notebook. I hope you must have understood all the activities from the section Icebreaker. I conclude my session here. I stop here. Thank you.